classics. Chanel. Yeah. Yes. It's like everyone's classic. Yeah. My mom bought it for me because as a like good job, you're like doing things on your own, you're buying your own stuff.
Hey, Gum.
Everything here also or my closet I purchased on my own. And I feel proud of it because it's nice to buy things when you earn it. And yeah, this is a classic bag that I like.
I'm curious about this che non c'è la vita.
Oh, this is also by my friend from Blank. Yeah.